Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern for your kitchen handle, under the pot, blanket, sofa shawl, and bedspread. I hope you like it. So let's start it. So for crocheting this beautiful motif, make a magic ring, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 11 double crochets into this circle. 1, 2. I crocheted 11 double crochets, fix the magic ring, make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, add your new color, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a 1 double crochet into the same stitch, make 2 double crochets into each stitch. You must have 24 double crochets, make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, add your previous color, chain 2, and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch, make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and make a pocket. Make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch, make 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2, chain 2, and make 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2, make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3 times, chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and make a pocket. Make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. And repeat the sequence until the end of the row. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch, chain 1, make a single crochet into the next stitch, make a single crochet into the next stitch, and make 17 single crochets into this space. 1, 2, and the last time. Make a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and the last time. In the space of 2 chains, make 2 single crochets into the same space, chain 2, and make 2 single crochets into the same space. Make a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Make 17 single crochets into this space. Repeat the sequence until the end of the row. Make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off. Make a slip knot, add your orange color. After 2 chains, we have 2 single crochets. On top of that, my first single crochet, yarn over and make a 1 double crochet. On top of that, my second single crochet, make a 1 double crochet. Make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch and make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Make a 1 double crochet into this stitch. Chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and make a picket. Make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch 5 times. 1, make a 1 double crochet into the next stitch 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and the last time. In the space of 2 chains, make 2 double crochets. 1, 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 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 1, 2, chain 2, and make 2 double crochets into this space. Repeat the sequence until the end of the row. At the end of the row, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and make 2 double crochets. And make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and make 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time. Make 15 half double crochets into this space. 1, 2, and the last time. Make 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. 1 single crochet, 2 times, 3 times, 4, and the last time. In the space of 2 chains, make 2 single crochets into the same space. 1, 2, chain 2, and make 2 single crochets into the same space. Repeat the sequence until the end of the row. Repeat the last 2 rows. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Support me with your comment and like. Take care.